methamphetamine. I do not know how the extra E got there, but so, and here's our plan for the new extended care building. Let's start on the inside.
Okay, so on the 3rd floor we have the indoor playground, art room, and Miss Pearl's office. We have the indoor playground and the art room on the same floor because they're both pretty noisy. And due to space in the building, we have Miss Pearl's office, but she has soundproof walls, so she'll be fine.
And also we have a staircase down to the main room, so we can connect your office to the main room, even though it's on 3rd. Well, really it's the 2nd floor because we have a basement.
So in case I need to get down there quickly?
Yeah.
That's great.
Our building's 2 stories tall, but we have a basement, so.
Okay.
And then on our main floor, we have the main room, kitchen, game room, and bathroom, and that's where all the functional stuff is, where everyone checks in so they know they're there.
And we also have like the kitchen, the bathroom, the game room. We have all sorts of weird features which you wouldn't imagine would actually be there, but actually help the environment. Like our bathroom has a supercomputer installed in the walls, which calculate each atom of water in the toilet and determine exactly how to flush it. We also have gray water flushing systems, where water from like washing your hands is used to flush the toilet.
And then on our basement, we have our study room, pre-K room, and movie theater. And that's just a place to lounge and do all that quiet stuff.
We also equipped the game room with cave virtual reality systems. It was really hard to get our hands on this, but we did. Real product, actually. We use in medical research occasionally to display like human skeletons and stuff. But we're putting it in our game room. And so let's flip over to our inspiration board. Elvis can talk about our inspiration board.
Yeah, in our inspiration board, we chose many colorful pictures because our client really likes colors and it shows Baker values and happiness. And
yeah, like for instance, like this is like a safe for the kitchen. This is like designs for the outside of the building. This is for our indoor playground.
I love that.
Different types of building designs and furniture and stuff that we would use. Now, I had been working on different stuff for the roof for a while. I've been designing all sorts of weird stuff on there. For instance, the fireplace in the main room has a chimney coming out on the roof, which and part of the heat and the flames in the main room would go to heating the swimming pool. And well, it doesn't go completely, so we still have to use some energy. But our swimming pool has a little diving board that goes up and down with a control box over here. So let's say you've been standing on it, you can pull a switch on the control box, it'll fly out from under you and fall directly into the pool. Kids will love that. You can also use it as a water slide, as like a, not really water slide, just a little slide to slide down. We also have little, windmills for power. And the bottom of the pool is a solar panel, and so it reflects light through it, and it amplifies the light, and it hits the solar panel.
And also, wherever the sun is, the solar panels will follow whenever there's no one in the pool.
Yeah, and we also have little rooftop gardening and compost stuff. In the gardening, we use polymers used in diapers that are hyper-absorbent, so it absorbs water really well, and so you don't need to water it much.
And this is our carbon dioxide scrubber. So I know how much Miss Pearl loves Diet Coke, so there's a tube that leads to her office, and so she can have Diet Coke, and then also it goes to the kitchen, so the kids can have, of course, non-caffeinated fizzy drinks.
Yes, it removes carbon from the atmosphere, and kids get their own fizzy drink maker.
Wow.
Yeah,
and so we use bulletproof borosilicate glass, and you'll find out soon why it's borosilicate with my insulation plan.
yeah, and we chose glass in the whole front. One, because our client likes it, and two, we chose bulletproof glass because it protects burglars.
Let's say someone was trying to break in with even plexiglass.
And also along the sides, for 1/4 of the building and height and lengthwise, it's for more safety. So
It's
to
brick.
make sure.
but we still get to use glass to the front so you can see inside of the front of the building.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of my features that I found out about that I can use. Every time you open a door, it spins a generator and generates a tiny bit of electricity. Then it charges that into a capacitor, and even like the bathroom stalls do this. And so eventually, after a lot of people open doors for a while, then they can discharge the energy back into the power grid.
Yeah, and the doors made out of steel.
So randomly you could just walk through and open all the doors to make energy.
Yeah, you can just open and shut the door. But even not trying to, you could. We also have a glass cantilever from Miss Pearl's office. It doesn't go out just far. It's kind of like one of those little boxes they have on the Sears Tower. It's a semicircle shape.
Wow.
Relaxing.
So I can see everything that's going on in the playground.
Yeah, and you could relax when you're
I
feeling
love
stressed.
cantilever.
Also, our buildings are to show, because of all the rooms, it shows all the, like what kids like to do and independence.
Mm-hmm.
And also,
And now,
on one of the sides, we have a mural for 4th graders through 8th graders to make. But of course this year, if we had it built. But yeah, we would have.
actually,
them
one
make it.
one plan which was really cool is now you find out why I use borosilicate glass. When you heat borosilicate glass up, it doesn't shatter. And so my trick for insulation is in the cross bracing. I run little wires through the cross bracing and heat them up, and that will insulate the glass whenever you heat it up. And so that was one trick which I developed for the insulation method, so it won't get cold on the inside during winter.
And why is the what do you call it, the borosilicate? Is that what the glass is called?
Yeah.
And then what are the structures going through it
Oh,
called?
that's cross bracing.
Oh,
It's
and
a
why is
thing-
that? Why is it designed in a crosses like that?
So
Is
the
there a reason?
glass holds up and it doesn't just.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it wouldn't have
It would be
enough
hard to
support.
support a single pane of glass, so you've got a cross bracing structure with triangular panes of glass across it.
Very.
You can have more than one pane. You can put panes in.
No, I'm talking about the entire front being a single pane of glass with wouldn't be that stable,
Mm-hmm.
even if it was bulletproof. Yeah, so that is our project. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Nice job.